Have you ever pushed yourself to the absolute limit? That feeling of your lungs burning, legs screaming, and your mind telling you to stop? But you keep going. That's endurance. It's the ability to withstand hardship, to persevere when the going gets tough, and to emerge stronger on the other side. Endurance is more than just physical strength. It's a test of willpower, resilience, and determination. While we often associate endurance with athletes crossing finish lines, its relevance extends far beyond the realm of sports. It's a valuable asset in all aspects of life, from tackling a challenging work project to navigating the ups and downs of everyday living. This essay explores the multifaceted nature of endurance, delving into the physical and mental strategies that can unlock your inner stamina. We'll uncover the science behind building endurance, offering practical tips and actionable advice to help you reach your full potential. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and unlock a wellspring of power you never knew you had. Endurance might bring to mind images of marathon runners pushing their bodies to the limit, but its importance transcends the world of athletics. In the professional sphere, endurance is what allows you to power through long hours, maintain focus during demanding tasks, and stay resilient amidst setbacks. It's the driving force behind innovation, creativity, and long-term success. Consider the entrepreneur working tirelessly to get their startup off the ground, or the artist dedicating countless hours to perfecting their craft. These individuals rely on endurance to fuel their passion, overcome obstacles, and ultimately achieve their goals. The same principle applies to our personal lives, where endurance empowers us to navigate the challenges of relationships, maintain healthy habits, and strive for personal growth. From the seemingly mundane to the truly extraordinary, endurance plays a pivotal role in shaping our experiences and defining who we are. It's the quiet force that keeps us moving forward, even when faced with adversity. So, whether you're an athlete aiming for a personal best or an individual seeking to thrive in the marathon of life, understanding and cultivating endurance is crucial. Just as a car needs the right fuel to run efficiently, our bodies require proper nourishment to maintain endurance. A balanced diet rich in complex carbohydrates, lean protein, and healthy fats provides the sustained energy needed to power through prolonged physical or mental exertion. Complex carbohydrates found in foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables serve as a primary fuel source, releasing energy gradually to keep you going. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, which is particularly important when pushing your physical limits. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, provide concentrated energy and support overall health. In addition to a balanced diet, staying hydrated is paramount for optimal performance. Water is crucial for regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and removing waste products. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and even serious health risks. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day, especially before, during, and after any activity that increases your heart rate. By paying close attention to your diet and hydration, you'll be providing your body with the essential building blocks it needs to perform at its best and endure even the most demanding challenges. Breathing is something we do instinctively, yet its importance in endurance is often overlooked. When we engage in strenuous activity, our bodies require more oxygen to fuel our muscles. Proper breathing techniques can help us maximize oxygen intake, improve circulation, and enhance our overall endurance capacity. One such technique is diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing. This involves breathing deeply into your abdomen, allowing your diaphragm to expand fully. Diaphragmatic breathing promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and increases oxygen flow to your muscles. Another effective technique is rhythmic breathing, which involves synchronizing your breath with your movements. For example, when running, you might inhale for 2 steps and exhale for 2 steps. This rhythmic pattern helps regulate your breathing, conserve energy, and maintain a steady pace. By incorporating these breathing techniques into your workouts or everyday life, you can significantly enhance your endurance and improve your overall well-being. Remember, the power of breath is readily available to you. All you need to do is harness it. Endurance is as much a mental battle as it is a physical one. When fatigue sets in and your body screams for respite, it's your mental fortitude that keeps you pushing forward. This mental toughness, the ability to withstand discomfort and persevere through challenges, is a key ingredient in unlocking your full endurance potential. One effective strategy for building mental toughness is visualization. Visualize yourself successfully completing a challenging workout or pushing through a difficult task. Imagine the sensations, the emotions, and the sense of accomplishment. This mental rehearsal prepares your mind for the real challenge, making it more likely you'll succeed. Another powerful tool is positive self-talk. When negative thoughts creep in, replace them with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths, your past successes, and your ability to overcome obstacles. Cultivating a positive inner dialogue can significantly impact your resilience and determination. Remember, the mind is a powerful force. It can either be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. By developing mental toughness, you'll be better equipped to conquer the inevitable wall that arises during any endurance challenge. The key to unlocking long-term endurance gains lies in consistency. Just as a single workout won't transform you into an Olympian, sporadic bursts of effort won't significantly enhance your stamina. Instead, focus on building a sustainable routine that gradually increases your endurance over time. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually increase the duration, intensity, or frequency of your workouts. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to rest when needed. Consistency is about making endurance training a regular part of your life, not about pushing yourself to the brink of exhaustion every single day. Find activities you enjoy, as this will make it easier to stick with your routine. Whether it's running, swimming, cycling, or any other form of exercise, choose something that motivates you and fits your lifestyle. Remember, progress takes time and setbacks are inevitable. The key is to stay committed to your goals, even when faced with challenges. By embracing a consistent approach to endurance training, you'll gradually build a solid foundation for long-term success. While pushing your limits is crucial for building endurance, it's equally important to prioritize rest and recovery. When you exert yourself, you're not only depleting your energy stores, but also causing microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. Rest allows your body to replenish its energy reserves, repair those muscle fibers, and adapt to the demands you've placed upon it. Failing to allow for adequate rest can lead to overtraining, burnout, and even injury. Incorporate rest days into your training schedule, allowing your body time to fully recover. On these days, engage in light activities like walking, stretching, or foam rolling. These activities promote blood flow, reduce muscle soreness, and aid in the recovery process. Sleep is another crucial aspect of recovery. During sleep, your body releases growth hormones that are essential for muscle repair and growth. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure your body is fully rejuvenated. By prioritizing rest and recovery, you'll be setting yourself up for optimal performance and minimizing the risk of setbacks. Remember, rest is not a sign of weakness. It's a strategic investment in your long-term endurance goals. Endurance is not limited to the physical realm. It's a valuable asset in navigating the complexities of everyday life. Mental endurance, the ability to stay focused, manage stress, and maintain emotional resilience, is crucial for navigating the ups and downs of personal and professional life. Just as you train your body to endure physical challenges, you can train your mind to weather mental storms. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, can help you cultivate mental clarity, reduce stress, and improve your ability to focus. Developing healthy coping mechanisms for dealing with setbacks and challenges is another crucial aspect of mental endurance. Learn to reframe negative thoughts, seek support when needed, and focus on finding solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Just as physical endurance allows you to push through fatigue, mental endurance empowers you to persevere through difficult emotions, maintain a positive outlook, and emerge stronger from adversity. By cultivating mental resilience, you'll be better equipped to handle the inevitable challenges that life throws your way. Unlocking your inner stamina is not a destination but a journey, a continuous process of self-discovery, growth, and adaptation. It's about pushing your limits, both physically and mentally, and embracing the challenges that come with striving for something greater than yourself. There will be days when you feel invincible, and days when you question your abilities. The key is to embrace the entire spectrum of experiences, to learn from your setbacks, and to celebrate your victories. Remember, endurance is not about achieving perfection, it's about pushing yourself beyond your perceived limitations and discovering the strength that lies within. So, set your goals, lace up your shoes, and embark on your own personal endurance journey. As the legendary marathoner Eliud Kipchoge once said, "No human is limited." Embrace the challenge, push your boundaries, and unlock the boundless potential that lies within you. The journey awaits.